Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of AMD Day Trader. I'm your host, Jamario Walker. Today is October 20th, 2020, and we are on our 2-minute chart. We open today here with a high of 82.23. We followed that bar with another breakout range bar to the upside, and after that, we had another one. This one is almost an inside bar. It didn't break out of the range of this guy here. And what I was seeing is these guys forming a top, sort of a resistance level. I'll go ahead and write that out, draw it out. So if you got a resistance level here, and upon seeing that, I started to look through my bullish plays. We waited till around, let's see here, 9:37. So we bought in around here, seeing these drops. I wanted to get in a little earlier, but I couldn't get filled. It got filled at 9:37, so in between these two guys here. We bought 4 of the 87.50 puts at 9:37. We held those guys till about, let's see, 9:51. So around here, from 9:51 to 9:57. So we sold our 4 puts in this range here. After that, seeing this bottom forming here, saw this bottom. This was a false bottom. It didn't hold, but this here held. Upon seeing that, I went in and bought, let's see here. We bought 3 calls at 10:02. So around here, we bought 3 calls to benefit off this up move, which I saw beginning to form by reading the price action and seeing this bounce off this bottom here. You've got a bottoming tail bar, which is followed by a green bar, which breaks out of that bottoming tail bar's range. So this is the range of this bottoming tail bar, and this green bar broke out of that range. So we went in on that move, looking, anticipating the upside move, which we got, and we started to sell from 10:12 to 10:15, which is, so from here till about here will be sold. So took advantage of this short down move, took advantage of this short up move for a total profit today of 310. Not bad for what, maybe an hour, a little less than an hour of trading. Not bad at all. We found an opportunity by just reading the price action on the 2-minute chart, recognizing this top action here. In the mornings, the sellers weren't letting the buyers get above this level of what, 82.34, and we saw that as short-term bearish. Took advantage of that bearish move, saw the bottom forming here, took advantage of the upward move. So pretty quick morning. We'll see how the rest of the day plays out. I'm probably done day trading, but I will watch things throughout the day to see what happens. And Pelosi and Schumer, these guys are having a discussion today about the stimulus talk, so that could weigh on the market, one way or another. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks.